As we saw in the previous video, there are two separate consoles that we can use for working with PowerShell. The first one and the most popular one since beginning is Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell is built into Windows. So when you get a copy of Windows, it has Windows PowerShell inside it already. This is also one of the downsides. Windows PowerShell is only on Windows. You can't install and run it on a Mac or on Linux. Windows PowerShell is based on the .NET standard, so it uses the .NET framework that Windows is built on. The other thing with Windows PowerShell is that it is closed as far as development is concerned, and what that means is that no further development is going on for Windows PowerShell to add new features to it. So, doesn't going to be newer version available for an update. It might get security updates and things like that, but it is sort of feature complete and ready to go. Now, next, the newer version is PowerShell Core, and PowerShell Core is again based on .NET Core, just like Windows PowerShell. It can be downloaded from GitHub, and what makes it versatile is that you can run it on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So, PowerShell Core is really the future way of working with PowerShell, as it adds the ability to run PowerShell scripts on any platform. It is also open source. It is an open source project that is hosted on GitHub. So many of the feature and tools that you see within PowerShell core have actually come out of the PowerShell community that are contributing to improve the software and to add new features to it. Another thing with PowerShell core is that it only has a subset of the Windows command available to it. Since this has to run on all platforms like Linux systems and Mac OS, it doesn't have all of the Windows specific command in it. But PowerShell core has a pretty decent subset of commands from Windows PowerShell, which will serve most of your needs. In the next video, I will take you through a PowerShell core installation. Uh, I would not I would not be doing the same for Windows PowerShell, as you should already have Windows PowerShell as part of your Windows operating system. Thank you.